Now we're going to demonstrate the correct operation of the Eagle 7,000-pound 4-post storage lift. This lift does not need to be anchored to the floor. It is portable, and we're going to show you that as we go through the instructional video. Install your aluminum runway approach ramps, and we're ready to pull the vehicle onto the lift. Now I want to show you how to properly pull the vehicle onto the lift. Whenever possible, have someone guide you if you can. If not, be sure to check to make sure you're centered from side to side as you pull onto the lift. It's also important to stop the vehicle in a center position from front to rear. Lock the emergency brake and put the vehicle in park or gear. Your lift will come with safety stops for the front and the rear. After the vehicle is on the lift, you do want to install the safety stops. You can remove the approach ramps at this point and drop the safety stop in the same place that the ramp would have been attached to. That's all there is to loading the vehicle on the lift. We're ready to raise the lift now. To raise the lift, just press the power switch on the power unit. Safety locks are positioned in each column, and they'll automatically engage as we raise the lift. There are 10 different locking positions as you raise your lift. You can stop at any one of those safety lock positions. Notice how high the lift will raise, so you have plenty of working height underneath the vehicle. This is the standard height 7,000-pound storage lift. Eagle also has an XLT version that raises 10 inches higher and it's 20 inches longer for track length. This allows you to store a longer vehicle on top and a higher vehicle underneath. Of course, the true advantage here is that you're able to park another vehicle underneath. This gives you 2 vehicles parking in one stall in your garage. Be sure that when you're storing the vehicle, you rest it on mechanical safety stops. Never go underneath the car or leave it in store position without being resting on the safety locks. Your hydraulics, your cables, and your mechanical safeties are all part of the safety features of the lift. Again, be sure that each of the 4 safety latches are on a mechanical stop by visually inspecting each of the 4 posts. Now we're ready to lower the vehicle. To do that, we need to raise it up off the safeties and pull the manual safety lock release. This releases all 4 safeties simultaneously. While holding that lever down, we press the hydraulic release. Once the safeties clear the lowest safety latch position, I can release the handle and allow the lift to go down the rest of the way. Now the vehicle's down, we're ready to reinstall the approach ramps. Remove the safety stops. Drop the ramps back into position. Now we'll show you how to disengage, lower the hydraulic handle so your lift is resting on the safety stops. Press and hold the safety, mechanical safety latch release, and the hydraulic release handle. The weight of the lift will lever the posts up off the ground. The lift is now on the caster wheels. You may need to put some weight on the chrome rail to get the post completely raised for portability. Make sure. Periodic maintenance is required for your Eagle storage lift. Bill will show you how to properly lubricate the inside corners of the post using white lifting grease. This ensures that the guide blocks for the carriages ride up and down freely inside the posts. Next, Bill is going to lubricate the latch assemblies with WD-40 and any of the pivot points on the lock release rods and the pulley bushings for the cables. After you use your lift, it will require adjustment on the cables. This is perfectly normal. Your cable adjustment nuts are on the top of each post. As you raise the lift, each safety should engage simultaneously. If not, you need to adjust the cable on the one that is following late behind the other safety latch clicks. Simple adjustment on the top of each of the cables. Again, if the lift is operating properly, all four of the safeties will engage simultaneously. Another periodic maintenance point is lubrication of the pulleys. Bill is going to lubricate the pulley shafts with WD-40. Make sure that the cables are traveling on the pulleys correctly. There's no fraying, no wear, no visible wear. That's part of your periodic maintenance and inspection. If you have any questions or require any assistance, call 800-535-0016, Eagle Equipment Technical Assistance Department. Thank you for your purchase. We appreciate your business.